Hi everyone, I wanted to hop on real quick and tell everyone happy holidays. I'm still down, I'm trying, I'm doing the best I can. I did get my Happy Paper People subscription box, and I know she did an opening last night, and I can't find the video now, so I'm going to do an opening to see what I have, and later I'll double check it. But it starts with Some See a Weed, Some See a Wish, and it's the list that tells you everything that's in it. So let's see, I've got beautiful tissue paper wrapping it up. So inside, the first thing she says you have is a skein of Sorry Silk ribbon, off-white, which is this, and boy, it is a bunch of it too. Look, wow, I'll use this for ages and ages. And then she says you have a PVC pouch, which is this. Oh, I hadn't seen them this size before. I like this size much better than the big ones. 20 claim tickets, which are inside of it. 1 pack botanical sticker sheets. Is that this? I think it is. Green Plant Manor stamp. Nope. Well, maybe. It says sheets, so let's look and see. Y'all know me. I love anything nature and botanical. Oh, look how cool. Oh, wow, these are beautiful stamps. I also love stamps. And it's packed in there. You can't even get them out. There's so many in the box. Yeah, that's what that was. It says, well, it says the next item is a botanical fern stamps, and that was that. So, botanical sticker sheets. Maybe it's this. This is pretty cool. I love them. This will make some good collage papers too. And I have a stamp in here. This is cool. Really like that. I have a washi tape. I have a candy I have to hide because I have 2 babies here that'll be fighting over it. I have some of these little, boy, I have a whole jar of these. I love these things in journals. They're the little clips. Tim Holtz makes them, but you know, they have imitations abound. A lot of people make these now, and they are just amazing in journals, and they look good on tags too. I have this is Buttercup, Wild Rose, Ground Elder. It looks like some type of little stickers, washi stickers. Botanical labels. I'm gonna assume that's what this is. It says I have a botanical fern stamp. That was that. Botanical labels, mini bowl clips. I had those. 1 mini box botanical faux stamps. Oh, I love this paper. Look how pretty that is. Wow. This is in Chinese, I don't know. This is Carpet of Flowers, so it doesn't really say what it is. But, you know, I don't want to open everything right now because I'm not capable of handling it. This is pre-scored paper. I saw this on here somewhere. 4 sheets marbled folio paper, pre-scored. This is cool. I am going to enjoy working with this. I love this tissue paper. Okay, this is one mini box botanical faux stamps. Well, I already had those I showed. Stationery pack carpet of flowers, so that's this. One vintage washi, that's this green washi tape. One pack vintage botanicals paper, I'm assuming that's this. One sheet botanical tissue paper, which is this. One Utah truffle mint. I don't care nothing about the candy, but that's okay, the grandboys will eat it. So let's go back up. Okay, the pack of mini bowl clips. That's this. Pack botanical labels, that's this. 4 sheets marbled folio paper pre-scored, that's this. One botanical fern stamp, that's this. One botanical sticker sheet, I'm assuming that's this. 20 claim tickets, that's inside of here. PVC pouch and a skein of sorry. Now, I saw some people saying they did not get the tagged punch, but I don't see that on our list of things we're supposed to get either. So I'm not even going to look for that. I mean, I'm going by the list of things that's supposed to be in here. This is what's in this box. It's all in here. So this will be fun to make some botanical folios and tags with, I believe. And you know, as soon as I feel a little bit better, I'm going to start working on it. So that is the December box for Happy Paper People. I have no clue, but I got a little black crochet flower in here. I don't know what this is, but it's, you know, it's in here, so it's going in there. Okay, guys, this is the December Happy Paper People box. They're on YouTube and Facebook, and they do put out a subscription box every month. Now, I don't know if you can buy it by the month, or if you have to subscribe to get it monthly. I have subscribed to get it every month. It's not expensive at all. So, each kit she sends, you can make several items from it. So I'm going to give it a try for a couple more months. And, you know, see what all I can produce from it. And then make my decision after the first of the year. I still have last month's I haven't even touched. So I need to do both months as soon as I'm able. And hopefully that will be soon. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.